today I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B and I'm going to be using the Voyage palette as well.
I'm going to grab the rusty red brown shade in the palette and use that as our transition shade. I'm continuing to build up the color. Now I'm blending out the harsh lines. I'm going to use the berry shade and the red shade in the 35B palette to deepen up my crease.
I hardly use the 35B palette. I know I should use it more, but I just get scared of using the darker shades in the palette, like the greens, the purples, the blues. I mostly use like the yellows, orange, and the pinks. So the reason why I dyed my hair was because I used to lighten it from the ends, and whenever I would go swimming you can see my blonde tips, and it ended up like lightening my whole entire hair. So I just wanted to go back to my original color. This is my first time actually like ever dyeing my hair. I'm going to take a brush and start blending.
Once we blend out the harsh lines, I'm going to take the pink shimmery shade and apply it all over the lid. This video was actually supposed to go up last Friday, but the app just kept on crashing and I felt like the app couldn't handle, you know, all the footage I've recorded. So I had to send it back and forth through my phone and my laptop, and I ended up having to post it this week. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner with this e.l.f. liquid liner. I'm going to moisturize my skin with my beauty oil, use the Pore Defense Primer Serum, and then I'm going to use the Milani foundation, the Conceal Imperfect in Warm Beige.
My favorite lotion I use is the Nivea lotion, face lotion. It's so thick and creamy.
That's what she said.
I'm going to correct with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange.
So now I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. Ooh, I put a little way too much. I just hope, oh no, I don't think it will peek through though.
I'm going to conceal with Stila Shape and Shade Contour Duo in the shade Light. I'm going to set my face with the e.l.f. translucent powder. I'm going to contour with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to use the middle contour shade, and throughout the video you're going to see me sculpt my face and then blend it.
Like I said, I'm not the type to like bake and do all that because of my skin type. But since we want to look snatch, we're gonna have to bake. I did my eyebrows off camera, so I used the 24 Hour Super Brow by Kat Von D, and the shade I use is light brown. You guys, it straight up looks like I have a wig on. Now we're going to highlight with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Blossom Glow. I'm going to clean up under my brows with the Summer Breeze palette with the lightest shade in the palette. Apply in our inner corner just like that. With the dark shade, I'm going to apply that on the lash line. I'm going to outline my lips with the Morphe Love Bite pencil, and I'm going to apply the Bare Minerals matte lipstick in Icon. Because I noticed after baking, I started to get my little patches right here start showing. I hope you guys really like this look. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. Look at this. Ooh.